We are reading Science Spotlight book for preschool kids. And here is chapter 5, which is about fruits. The first fruit is Guava. Guava को उर्दू में अमरूद कहते हैं. Apple, सेब. Grapes, अंगूर. Banana, केला. Orange, Malta. Pineapple, ananas. Peach, आड़ू. Watermelon, तरबूज. Mango, आम. Cherries को उर्दू में भी चेरी ही कहते हैं. As we learned about trees in previous chapter, and here we learned about the fruits. So let's do this activity, which is match each fruit with its tree. So we learned about banana leaves. These are big, and it is banana leaf. Which one is mango and which one is apple? How can we recognize? Mango tree is more shady than apple tree. So it is mango tree, and this one is apple tree. Have fun!